Although we think we know every inch of our planet, there are still many mysterious places that are difficult to explain historically and scientifically. And these places may seem strange and even scary to some, as if they were taken from a scene in a science fiction movie. Here are the 20 strangest places on Earth. Get to know them. 1. Nazca Lines, Peru. Its history goes back 2,000 years, and it is believed that it was a ritual to please the gods. The mysterious Nazca Lines. When an airplane flies over the Peruvian desert, the mixture of rocks and sand creates attention-grabbing shapes, as the distinctive white lines gradually blend into the tan and rusty red colors. The scene changes as the lines form simple geometric designs: trapezoids, straight lines, rectangles, triangles, and swirls. Some of the swirls and zigzags begin to form more distinct shapes: a hummingbird, a spider, a monkey. According to National Geographic, there are more than 800 straight lines, 300 geometric shapes, and 70 designs of animals and plants, also called biological shapes. Some straight lines reach 55 kilometers in length. 2. Red Beach, China. This beach is located in the Panjin region of China, and it is covered with a type of algae called sueda that turns bright red in the fall. 3. Whalebone Siberian Route. This area is located about 150 kilometers from the coast of Alaska, and there are remains of whale bones, including jaw bones and vertebrae. Scientists in this area believe that it is an ancient place of worship dating back to the 15th century AD. 4. Lake Hillier, Australia. A strange but beautiful-looking lake, located in Australia, that is said to contain a high percentage of salt and that it contains salt-loving algae of a type called Donnelliella salina, and there are pink-colored bacillus bryophytes that give the lake its pink color throughout the year. 5. Bermuda Triangle, Atlantic Ocean. It is a strange and amazingly large triangle covering an area of 500,000 square kilometers in the Atlantic Ocean. According to reports written about this place, it causes the disappearance of planes and ships passing through it in an unusual and inexplicable manner. 6. Goblin Valley Park, America. This soft sandstone-like landscape is located in Utah, USA, and gives an almost surreal, almost unreal, view. It is a few kilometers away from the desert area, and is considered one of the most famous hiking places in the state of Utah. 7. Giant's Causeway, Ireland. Located in Northern Ireland, this mysterious natural landscape is not man-made. According to scientists, this view was formed about 60 million years ago due to molten basalt left by a volcanic eruption, and the intersecting lava left these amazing cracks in the rocks. 8. Gate of Hell, Turkmenistan. It is a crater located in Turkmenistan in the village of Derviz, known as the burning natural gas area, and it has been burning non-stop since the Soviets burned it about 40 years ago. 9. Desert Hand, Chile. Sculptor Mario Arizawa built this amazing and strange statue in the middle of the Chilean desert. He believes that this statue he carved embodies the feeling of loneliness and human suffering. 10. Belt of Silence area, Mexico. One of the strangest places on Earth is located near Bolsón de Mapemi, in Durango, Mexico. It is believed that clocks and radios once stopped working in this area. 11. Tesla Towers, Russia. The Marks and Tesla High Voltage Generator Research Facility is located in Russia, belongs to the Russian Electrical Engineering Institute, and was established in the city of Istra, 40 kilometers from Moscow. 12. Nan Madol, Micronesia. An ancient city that few people know about. It is located on the coast of Micronesia. Micronesia is a subregion in Oceania. The name Nan Madol means there is a void between them. The entire city of Nan Madol is located on a series of lakes, and appears to be connected by a series of different canals and stone walls. 13. Gates, Saudi Arabia. It is a group of hundreds of stone walls that archaeologists have identified in the desert of Saudi Arabia through satellite images, and are called gates. In a remote desert region of Saudi Arabia, shock scientists have discovered mysterious shocks, dubbed gates, that resemble hot hatches from above. The APAIM website, which archives photographs of antiquities in the Middle East, stated that archaeologists discovered 400 mysterious stone structures, up to 7,000 years old, located in an area in Saudi Arabia, called Harat Kabar. 14. Vatnajökull Ice Caves, Iceland. They are caves that dazzle people with their wonderful views. They are located in the Vatnajökull Glacier in southeastern Iceland. The stalagmites and stalagmites of the caves, which resemble teeth hanging from the ice, acquire different colors in various lighting conditions, and the caves are connected to each other by many mazes. These caves dissolve every year, reappearing in a different place, and every year many tourists come to visit these caves, which turn into a maze in the form of rooms intertwined with each other. Blood Lake, Bolivia. Laguna Colorada is located in Bolivia, and is described as a bloody lake. This lake, with its shallow depth, 35 centimeters, creates a real contrast with its red waters with the colors of the white borax islands, and its color is due to the sediments and the pigmentation of some algae. 16. Lake Abraham, Canada. Despite its stunning beauty, it is a dangerous artificial lake that you will want to stay away from. It is filled with frozen bubbles inside pockets of highly flammable frozen methane. This lake is located north of the Saskatchewan River in western Alberta, Canada. 17. Inca Road System, 40,000 kilometers long, Peru. The ancient Inca civilization was one of the most advanced ancient civilizations on Earth, and created a large road system extending 40,000 kilometers, believed to be the longest ancient road of an ancient empire on the planet. 18. Inga Stone, Brazil. It is a monument located in Brazil, containing a star map depicting many symbols along with the Orion constellation. 19. Bowling River, Amazon. It is said that the Bowling River in the Amazon is just a myth, but its existence has actually been proven, and a scientist named Andres Rozo discovered this legendary river in the Peruvian region of the Amazon forests, despite the claim of many of his colleagues that it is impossible to find this river. And the local name of this river is Sinai Timbishka, means boiled in the heat of the sun. Therefore, it is one of the rivers that you will not want to swim in. 20. Artificial bridges, 1.7 million years old, India. Researchers have discovered a mysterious structure that could be a bridge located between Pumban Island, also known as Rameswaram Island, southeast of the city of Tamil Nadu in India, and Mannar Island on the northwestern coast of Sri Lanka. This structure is said to have been built by humanity 1.7 million years ago.